Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And we're going to do for this video a double unboxing of Heroclix, Scooby-Doo Play at Home Kit, and Batman Team Up Dice and Token Set. Let's go! Okay, so before we unbox, let's of course thank WizKids for sending us these items. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat sa uulitin. So we have here the dice and token set for the Batman team up. And you can see here we have Batman, Robin, Nightwing, Catwoman, Joker, and Penguin. And a couple of dice. So the dice and token pack is always a great accessory to get. So this includes 2 Heroclix dice and 6 Heroclix action tokens. Let's go ahead and look at it. There are some players that I know of that collect all the dice and token package in each set. I personally, of course, collect, or at least try to collect, all the X-Men dice and tokens. Okay, but I like this one in terms of the color scheme. The pink, I would say luminous pink, party pink, okay, is a great color scheme coupled with black. Okay, definitely very much thematic of Batman. Okay, so behind it we have a portrait of Batman punching something. Okay, put it on the side and let's take a look at each one of them. Usually it comes with a bystander at the back. Okay, so like this one, Batman comes with a tentacle bystander. Okay, so the tentacle bystander is needed by Aquaman. Okay, so we pulled him in our brick, and you can take a look at the cards here. Okay, so these tentacles are summoned from the deep, and if tentacle doesn't occupy water terrain, KO it. And it has Quake, Giant Reach 3, as well as Plasticity and Empower. So Aquaman can generate max 8 of these tentacles. So that's why in this dice and token pack, there are 4 of these tentacles. Okay, another one behind Robin, another one behind Nightwing, and finally behind Catwoman, another tentacle. So you might want to get a couple of this dice and token because again, you need 8 bystanders at max for Aquaman. For Joker, we have at the back a Clayface duplicate bystander. We also pulled Clayface in our brick. He's just a common figure, so definitely something that everyone will get if you buy a brick of this particular product. So the Clayface duplicate has plasticity, invulnerability. Okay. You can also use another figure, another Clayface figure as a bystander stand-in because the dial is the same, 6, 10, 17, 3, except for that special damage power. There's no special damage power here, and it also has the Batman enemy team ability. Okay, so you can either use this and I guess use also the figure. And finally, for Penguin, the bystander is Negative Spirit. So this one is generated by the Negative Man. Unfortunately, we did not pull him in our brick. Okay. So I think this is the spirit form of Negative Man. Okay, that goes around the map. and much stronger than the main body. Okay, and then we have here a couple of dice. As I said, I love the black and pink combination. Okay, it's not feminine, but it's very old style, chic, I guess, colors. And let's roll. We're gonna do 3 rolls, and we hope to get 7 or higher for each roll. Nope. Nope. And finally, oh, cock dice. Yes, with knockback because it's doubles. So the Batman symbol represents the 6th roll. Okay, so you want to see the Batman symbol when you use this dice in your game. Okay, so that's it for our tokens. Let's go to the main event for this particular video. Item number 2 is all about the play at home kit. Okay, and you can see here the hero is Shaggy. Okay, so there's a window wherein you can already see what you will get inside. Okay, in terms of the character, you can check the quality here. It seems good. Okay, so we have Shaggy and Scooby, and I think there's a couple of mystery case file cards here, so that's good. The play at home kit is described as Zoinks! There's another mystery to solve, and Shaggy is on the case in the newest play at home kit release. Play at home kits are a great way for players to get an awesome new character and map to match the Batman team-up set. Shaggy comes to Heroclix for the first time, hungry for clues that will lead your team to victory. So that's one of the mechanics for the Detective and Mystery Inc. The clues, the mystery cards. So add more characters to your next game. Collect more than 60 characters from the Batman team-up set. Let's see what we got. I also advise you guys, especially our newer Heroclix players, to try to get a hold of this particular play at home kit because of the map. First and foremost, I've heard a lot of hype from the map. I think because the map contains Danny the Street. I think it's a nostalgic map for our Heroclix players. Okay, so we have here Robinson Park Outdoor, and the indoor map is also an outdoor map, Danny the Street Outdoor. Okay, so we're not gonna open it at this point. I'll probably just take a screenshot, okay, and show to you the big map. Okay, so map is of course essential in the game of Heroclix. Mastery of the map and the terrain can really lead to victory. And of course we have here Shaggy. Let's pop him out. Okay, so don't be fooled with this Shaggy. This Shaggy has an awesome dial. Okay, I'll show you in a while. This is the OP, overpowered Shaggy, the Super Saiyan Shaggy with level more than 9,000. Okay, take a look at that dial. 9, 12, 19, and 4 combat, close combat expert with 3 targets and cosmic. Oh my god. Okay, so let's open up this card. Okay, we have here the mystery case file. Stake out. Okay. For the keywords Detective, Mystery Inc., and Teen Titans. Okay. When a friendly character with the listed keyword hits one or more opposing characters, after resolutions gain 1 clue token. And friendly characters can use stealth and can be knocked back if they occupy hindering terrain. Once you get 3 clues, and for 6 clues at the beginning of your turn, choose a friendly character occupying hindering terrain. This turn, the chosen character can use support and regeneration. Okay. And finally, we have Shaggy in all his glory. Let's take a look at his card. Shaggy, set number 100 from the Play at Home kit. Mystery Inc., Celebrity, Cosmic, Detective, and Mystical keywords. Norville Shaggy Rogers. And a special power, attack power. Say hi to your friends, punk. Which is still energy. And if Shaggy KOs 2 or more characters with a single attack, after resolutions, heal him 3 clicks. And that's really possible because he has 3 targets. So you can see here, so he can do close attack, 3 targets to possibly heal 3 clicks. Okay, so that appears on the middle and latter part of his dial. Significant appearance is Scooby-Doo, Legend of the Phantosaur. And again, the numbers speak for itself. 150 points, hypersonic, 12 super strength, 19 invincible, and 4 close combat expert. Hypersonic throughout the entire dial, invincible throughout the entire dial, close combat expert the entire dial, unoutwittable because of cosmic. So he also has willpower. Let's take a look at the flavor text. For hypersonic, this could go 2 ways, punk. Super strength 1, you walk away. Invincible 2, I walk on your face. And close combat expert, your call, buddy, punk. Okay. So, amazing, amazing. Let's put them all together. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you again, WizKids, for sending us this sample package. Until next time, bye-bye. No!